Damn. What's that, Kwame?
Way too many rappers say they blowing up like 4th July. Y'all kidding, that's a lie. Get me out of here, I feel like Taylor, man, I'm mortified. Distorted 808 and glide. Kwame bout to lead the tide. Y'all can't match this in the price. You runners up or getting tight. Okay, we got some bass in. Homie, you a basic. Knock you through your mirror just so you can really face it. And I ain't trying to say too much, I ain't even playing rough. All these rappers really are my children like the Brady Bunch. Sometimes I be smiling when I'm sitting on exciting shit. Barely put in effort, but I swear this might just be a hit. Change the lives around me with this rap shit, bout to hit a lick. Africans will know this, parents used to hit us with the stick. Now we taking over, going global, I'm a mogul. Flying coastal, to be honest, man, I still charge on my opals. In the city, I'm a local, you can hear it through my vocal. Hater buy a t-shirt, I'ma charge him extra postal.
Mama rang my phone and told me that she really proud. I heard you on the radio, you got some type of sound with the speakers loud. Got to hit your show, see what you bout. Call me going stupid, packing up the place. How you the man now, popping on the gram now. They ain't drop before you show my love, they wanna care now. About to hit the stage, let it bang, looking right into the crowd. Call me going stupid, packing up the place. Wow.
I don't never drink or smoke. Fuck with me, you get smoked. Boy, you looking like a joke. Bet your pockets looking broke. Look at me, I'm on a boat. Going straight out to the crib. How you hating how we live? When I just gave you what you give. I got them shaking like a gift. High on life, don't need a spliff. Fuck this shit, I'm about to split. When I walk, I get the drip. Like, yeah, I do it for the kids. Why you talking with a lisp? Like my vocals real crisp. Fuck it. All you people super average. Y'all ain't never been a challenge. Protect the scene from getting damaged. I might just have to say it in Spanish. It's stupid, don't just mind the language. Rappers is my favorite sandwich. Smart and already living lavish. Y'all be gonna scream Spanish. You and I, we can't relate. Man, I'm feeling really great. Stupid fool, just quit the hate. Your ass whooping now with weights. In the gym, we pushing weight. Dominating every state. Seen your ass in a scooter. Probably just a cheapskate.
Mama rang my phone and told me that she really proud.